like the wide 6.5 by 14 inch front wheels on these.
Yeah.
It gives them a little bit more footprint, but it's still the original wheel style, you know?
Right. Yeah, I don't mind them.
Yeah, I don't. Somebody adjusted that in the past. That must be why this thing actually moves so well at 90. What were your engine temperatures like?
Pretty consistent.
Like 80 degrees or higher? Or...
I'd have to look. It was basically horizontal and just slightly up.
Okay, so it didn't change much when you put the kibosh on it.
No.
That's good. All right, I like to hear that. That's good. I remember a long time ago you had an air compressor and a steering box done. Is that correct?
Steering box, yes.
Yeah.
Compressor, I'd have to look at my notes.
It looks like the compressor has like a holographic tag on the front clutch. The engine's really clean in this thing. It's actually nicer than I thought it would be, you know, because a lot of the time, like, you get these California cars in, or I should call them West Coast cars. They're usually decent cars, but they'll leak oil or whatever, and then you'll get like an accumulation of sand or dirt on them because it's dusty out there. But this car like never looks like it had a bunch of leaks, which is really impressive.
Yeah.
That's coming down. That's typical. Tachometer work okay?
Yep.
Great. That's one thing I like about the 84 is it has a magnetic pickup for the tach instead of what's called a photoelectric pickup. 83 and earlier cars had the photoelectric pickup on the front of the engine, and it's not as reliable. Oh, that's the magnetic one. I want to see inside the trunk.
Go ahead, it's open.
No, you touch it because I've been touching my nose.
Oh, yeah.
If you have any personal belongings there, I don't want to get you sick.
Nothing scary. Yeah, I got you.
I know. I was in and out of hospital yesterday. Okay, dealing with my.
These are my original calipers.
What do you do for work?
Construction.
What kind of construction?
New houses and remodeling.
Really?
Yeah.
There aren't many people who do that anymore.
Well, in Chicago there are.
There are?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's nobody in the trades here. You could move down here and make a fortune.
Yeah.
You know how hard it is to get people to do any remodel? Well, they probably are like, we've got a rebuilder right here. You take a pair of rusty calipers out of the box that were rebuilt somewhere. We had this happen with another 300 ST. We had this 83, or was it 83 or 84? 84 turquoise, petrol metallic.
Oh, I like that color.
Yeah, it was a pretty car. It came off a friggin' trailer. I get the car in here, and they had put all four, it was from Philly, all four brake calipers in the car were rusty. I took one look at it, I was like, this is a 112,000 car, it's got the diesel. Yeah, that's the only hearing.
86 420 S.
You don't see a lot of Ivory 420s or 560 SELs, but if you do see one, it's usually an 86.
Maybe they got a good deal on the paint that year.
Well, hang on.